Welcome back to Brunswick County. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Holiday Challenge. This holiday challenge is all about trying to maintain our weight and not gain any weight during the holiday season. When you sign up with your email address, you'll receive free newsletters, recipes, tips, and more in your inbox each week. But we want you to sign up with us here in Brunswick County too. When you sign up in Brunswick County, you get access to a Lunch and Learn series. During these sessions, you'll hear topics presented by lots of professionals and specialists in our community. You'll learn all about nutrition, food safety, local foods, fitness, and more. I hope you'll sign up and join us. You can sign up by going to our website, and you can also sign up by emailing me. We can't wait to hear from you and hope you'll join us in this fun holiday challenge.